What's up everyone, FPS Shooter here. Today's video, as you guys can see, is another M3RKMUSIC Best Gun Game Reactions. I'll be posting another video in a second after this one is done. Let's do this.
Wait, this is Call of Duty?
Holy shit, you, holy shit, holy shit, holy shit, holy shit, holy shit, holy shit.
I'll fucking destroy my fucking computer or laptop or whatever.
Holy shit. Holy shit.
What PM for? What the fuck? Gun game.
Oh shit, this is gun game? Thanks for making that clear to me. Now we all know. I just found the fucker. He's hiding on the bird, you cocksucker. Ask me if you want M3RKMUSIC.
The fuck?
Chop your balls off. Oh my god. Damn, you'd have had that
Hold on,
shit.
hold on.
Oh
Was
my
that
fuck. God, you nigga.
Hold on. Sorry about that, y'all.
Launcher.
I'm not trying to hear that. I want to hear the...
Gun game? Thanks for making that clear to
Sorry
me.
if I put this back, guys.
Now we
It's
all
just that I
know.
want to hear
I just
that
found
fucking...
the fucker. He's hiding on the
I think that was a white guy or black guy, so like...
Ask me if you want M3RKMUSIC. Chop your balls off. Oh my god. Damn, you'd have had that too. Oh my fuck. I got knifed 5 times. Well, the thing is, they kept knifing me back to the dildo launcher. Oh my god. Fuck. Dude, I'm honest. Oh my god, you nigdog.
Why do people just keep going up to me and shooting me right through my tummy?
It's funny you guessed I'm a girl, because that's what my friends are. I'm a girl.
Okay, you fucking coon. You had to knife me, you fucking coon. You're garbage, you fucking coon.
Kid, you're camping! Oh, and you got wrecked!
Fucking coon! You're a fucking coon. Shut up.
You are so bad! Good night!
Oh
Tell me
my
how
god,
M3RKMUSIC
and I
does
got
that
knifed,
fucking
dude. I
voice.
swear, dude, I'm so fucking sad.
Aw, did someone need a tissue?
Stop. Oh my god, you fucking coon.
Ay, imbécil. Ah, no, no me dio. Hijo de puta. Me han humillado, coño. Perdón, amigo, yo te vengaré. Why do you knife me?
Because you're cheating!
What the fuck?
Fuck you guys, what the fuck is this? You guys are hacking by Xbox. You're clearly a cheater. You have an iPod in your clan tag. That means you smoke marijuana.
Marijuana. You don't even know how to say. Shut up, bro.
What is up with this goddamn faggot running around knifing everybody? Piece of shit.
I know, right? Those guys are so annoying.
Oh, I hate this motherfucker.
Oh my god! Stop knifing! Oh my...
I'm not gonna lie, guys. I'm not gonna fucking lie. Like, the only thing I did in Culture to Ghost is just fucking ninja defusing and knifing on fucking ghosts. I pissed off a shitload of fucking people and they tried to report me, but no luck.
You're reported. Huh? You know what? Now you're just gonna get kicked off of COD because I'm gonna report you so much.
There's a glitch where you can get underground and see everything. And, like, you can still get kills without dying. No, you don't get a single point for knifing.
Actually, you do.
Hey,
You get
fuck
extra
oh
fucking
my god,
points.
this nigga like lunch.
Oh, wow! Who was that? Oh, please don't hurt me!
Oh, God. God dang it! He was just sitting there, and I didn't even notice him. And, like, I freaking knife him, and he doesn't die. I try to shoot him, he doesn't die. He runs up to me and knifes me. Yeah, I wanna destroy that guy's Xbox. I sound like I'm a dying, like...
Hey man, Chomp's talking about that chomp.
What are you talking about,
The fuck was that?
Jacob?
you're talking about that chomp.
And then stabbing everybody.
Yo, they're boosted, man. Report them. Trying to get these bitches kicked off for a couple days.
I hate this guy.
Well, we hate him too, so don't you You knifing dick. Fuck out of here, you dumb bitch.
Oh,
You are
sniper shot.
M3RKMUSIC, you are a fucking skillless piece of shit, dude. Not one fucking skill in your piece of skill in your fucking body. It's called gun game, not knife game, you fucking retard. It's got me so fucking pissed I can't even fucking talk.
Bro, my shit lagging. Damn, some nigga did not.
Oh, you kidding me?
Don't stop knifing me! Oh, no.
I know you can hear me, you worthless piece of fucking shit. If you ain't gonna shoot a gun, get the fuck out of here. This fucking M3RKMUSIC, I'm about to reach through the TV and take his fucking head off and shove it up his ass so you can see what he had for lunch.
Quit knifing. We're all trying to play the game.
I know, it's so annoying! Fucking hell!
I want to kill you.
So I'm gonna be recording
Shut up,
episode
you
1 of my Call of Duty Ghost Let's Play for YouTube. We're playing some gun game on the map. Containment.
I hear your voice for that long. There's a fucking problem.
I'm gonna call Bill Gates and have you removed off of the PlayStation Network.
This isn't even PlayStation.
What?
Oh my god.
Walmart, rip me off! Is it just me, or does anyone ever go to Create a Soldier and just fap to the woman character? I'm gonna do that right now. Oh, you're so hot. Oh, thank you, Call of Duty. Thank you for giving me this. Thank you. Oh.
Oh my god, these fucking commercials. The sad part, I can't fucking skip these. I can't because they put the new fucking thing.
God dang it! Oh my god!
The first weapon I've hit. Oh my gosh!
You didn't
Wait,
I refuse to believe.
dude, enough with the knives. Are you pissed off that your mama didn't hold you enough? Damn.
Play as poo-poo.
This nigga gonna keep making me these me showing him cuz for real, con. Every time I get knife!
Oh.
Hey, dude, tend to your child, dude. Damn. Oh my god, Merc, you freaking suck. It's me to shot your sight.
I'm actually like,
Seriously, you're still at it, dude? Would you quit?
I can't play with this fucking dude making me laugh so much.
No shit.
Oh, why? Is it because my laugh?
I'm a cowboy and you're my cowgirl.
Victory screech!
Oh my god, these niggas a bunch of fags, man. Hey, you got... Oh my god! Stop knifing me, I swear to god. Oh my... Stop knifing me! Oh my god, these niggas a bunch of fags, man.
I'm actually fucking crying.
Oh my god! Stop knifing me, I swear to god, bro. Oh my... Stop knifing me! Jesus, man! I'm just about to give up. I'm done here. I'm done. I'm done. I'm out of here. Where is it?
That was great.
Reporting your ass, don't worry. You are reported. Yo, what the fuck? Oh, you lucky. Oh, how this nigga on 14? Nigga got one more thing. He keeps punches the point of knife at people. The game is not meant to be nice, man.
After this match, I'll invite you to a party and we can do it.
Oh,
We
yeah.
have practice
I'm gonna do it for the first time.
Yeah, I'm excited.
We practice every night at 9.
I actually ended right there, guys. It's just that as a promise, I want to put another gun game thing because this thing runs out. Nope, that's not the one. That's not the one. Oh, where is this bitch? Now, what the fuck are you jacking off back there? I'm not jacking anything off. He's jacking off. Who's he? Your mama. I'm just kidding. Like, what the fuck is this? It's like, fuck. Okay. Weird noise. Okay.
actual fuck are you doing? Get back here. Dumbass. Why the fuck are we doing this? Get your ass over here. There we go. How did that even happen?
You shot me, my aim went up.
It really did. Look at that. Right there. Unfucking real. This game. Oh, right in the little hole in my helmet. Oh my god. Stuff my hole. Are you okay?
No. I was choking on dick all night.
I'm sorry your dad has to abuse you like that. Matt, the basketball went through your fucking head.
Wait, guys.
Stop.
Only the cool people can come in here.
Okay.
Come in where? Your butt? Yeah.
Oh.
Okay. Well, I'm pretty cool, so you should let me in. People want to get physical.
Yeah.
Dude, what is up with this guy and his knife? Oh my
God,
I think I just
dude.
splooged.
That's a shitload of fucking
Dude,
knives.
stop it! We'll knife together.
No.
Screw you!
Uh-oh, connection, yo! I'm stabbing you in the back. Aw, man.
Dang it!
Yo, Jack, I really like that emblem. I like those lightning strikes.
Thanks. I know, right? Look at my...
What? Only a true artist could appreciate. Where the fuck did they just go? They were the hosts, Matt. Matt, where'd you go? What are you doing? Oh, hey.
Hey, Merc!
Long time no see.
What's up? Wait, I gotta stab Mark.
No.
One likes me.
Oh!
Oh, did you do a trick shot?
Possibly. That was sick. That was awesome.
Oh my god!
The fuck was that?
That was awesome.
Oh my god!
Was that one of... Is he on the roof or something?
Oh my god!
Wait. Do you have the ballistics?
No.
What's your real name?
Bartholomew.
Antonio?
Bartholomew.
Artonio.
It's Bartholomew.
My freaking god!
Oh.
Oh!
Not as good as my kill cans with the plastic knife.
Stupid fickle.
He dived into it. Oh, shit.
Well, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the damn video. As always, have a nice day. If you want me to react to more Mark music, just put like, comment, and